You get the tingles though when you take a photo that you like. And this is the fruits of our labour. And then you get the film back. It's never as good as you thought it was going to be. Hey, I'm Todd Hewitt, a Perth-based photographer, and you're watching the Phlog with Dual Pixel. I don't know. Am I allowed to be me? It is a lot. Sometimes. I've been shooting for 8 years now. First year was digital. I was just teaching myself, learning aperture and shutter speed and whatnot. And then the last 7 years has been pretty much predominantly all film. Today I'm shooting on Canon AE-1. It's all mechanical. It's just practically indestructible. It was a gift for 40 years ago, 1981. My mum gave it to my dad as an engagement gift. I get super embarrassed when people are around and you're shooting, and today we're shooting Kodak 200 gold. It's more of a golden hue to it. If you shoot Fuji, it's a little bit more of a green hue, and it's just trial and error what suits you. But I think living here in this sort of environment where it's sunny all the time and we've got big beach culture and stuff like that, I fell into using Kodak in general. That is wet. I want to shoot, obviously, the path being carved between the density of this sort of Christmas tree forest. We're going to Seabird, which is a risky move because I haven't been there since I was a kid, but we're hoping there's going to be some interesting stuff to shoot there. So we've just come into Seabird, straight down this dead end. The key to photos are having aesthetic looking mates. Look at this man, unbelievable, my eyes are burning. Settings wise, I don't want it to be like hyper focused on takes, so I'm going to shoot it on a pretty low shutter speed, probably 125. And that's how you do it. That's how you get the money. I'm going to shoot another photo down here. Oh. That's the sort of shot that middle-aged ladies love to get printed and put on their wall for tranquility. You know, it's something to really soothe the soul. It's tempting to put the sign in the middle of the shot, but I think it's kind of a little bit boring. Might have a look up here, I reckon. We're gonna have a little bit of ocean on each side, and it looks quite incongruent, I think, having the ocean next to something that looks industrial in a way. So I think that's quite interesting, and the colours, the mismatch of colours is very appealing as well. We're gonna shoot it on 1000 shutter speed, which for the AE-1 is its fastest shutter speed.
That is a solid half-time break, Todd.
Exactly. The key to a good vlog is relaxation, you know. To the north side of town. Fresh off the trip to the Seabird Tavern. Everyone's revitalised. Steak burger with a lot. Chips, which are just potatoes cut in half and fried up. We're going down to look at these signs. The assortment of things we're walking past here. Jerry can, battery, jerry can. That's the shop. Van's next door. They love the symmetry as well. They've got the extra virgin nowhere else, but just on either side of the sign. I'll try to shoot it down the line of the string. Beauty. We've got the Seabird fire shed that's just coming up, so we're gonna shoot that, I think. That's the roll. Massive relief. We did it, boys. We did it. A lot of relief. had no idea if Seabird was going to be worthwhile destination or not. The Cadillac, I'm very excited for that to come back. When I was younger, I didn't click this button. This releases the latch, and if you don't click that, you just rip the film out of the canister, and that is really very, very heartbreaking. Fruits of the labour for today. Yeah, excited to see the shots. Fingers crossed they're not incredibly disappointing.